Assalamu alaikum. I want to share something personal that few people see. I was diagnosed with cyclic vomiting syndrome CVS after months of unexplained nausea and fainting.
It starts with dizziness and unease, then hours of vomiting. My worst episode? 38 times in a single day. Living with CVS wasn't easy, but my family kept me steady. Small acts of care made all the difference. I share this so others know they're not alone. Your struggle is real, and there is hope.
Help those who suffer silently. Together, we can build awareness and kindness.
Sometimes the episodes come suddenly, and the discomfort is overwhelming. It is hard to explain to others who have not experienced it. Sometimes the episodes come suddenly, and the discomfort is overwhelming. It is hard to explain to others who have not experienced it.